My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will address a common yet profound misunderstanding prevalent in our society. The misconception that to live according to Islam, one must abandon worldly life. But does Islam truly teach us to renounce the world? Let us explore this issue in the light of the Quran and Hadith. Clarification of the misunderstanding. The idea that adhering to religion necessitates giving up all worldly comforts is a misconception. This notion arises because we do not fully understand Islam's perspective on the world. Islam teaches us balance regarding the worldly life. It neither commands us to completely renounce it nor encourages us to let its love dominate our hearts. Allah Almighty states in the Quran, "And this worldly life is nothing but a deceiving enjoyment." Surah Al Imran 185. The criticism and virtues of the world. The Quran and Hadith both criticize and praise the worldly life, depending on context. For instance, the world is referred to as a fitna, trial. Your wealth and your children are but a trial. Surah At-Tagabun 15. On the other hand, Allah describes wealth as His favor. Then when the prayer is finished, disperse through the land and seek Allah's bounty. Surah Al-Jumu'ah 10. Similarly, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The world is like a corpse, and those who pursue it are like dogs." This saying applies when the love for the world overtakes one's heart, causing neglect of the hereafter. The example of Maulana Rumi. Maulana Rumi beautifully illustrated the relationship between humans and the world. The world is like water, and humans are like boats. Water beneath the boat allows it to sail smoothly. But if water enters the boat, it will sink. Similarly, the world is meant to fulfill our needs. However, if it enters our hearts, it becomes the cause of destruction. The story of Karen and its lessons. The story of Karen teaches us about maintaining a balance between this world and the hereafter. The Quran states, "Seek, with what Allah has given you, the home of the hereafter, but do not forget your share of the world." Surah Al-Qasas 77. Karen believed that his wealth was the result of his intellect and abilities. However, Allah reminded him that all blessings come from Him. This message applies to us today as well. The message of Islam. Islam's clear message is that we should live in this world and enjoy its comforts, but not consider it our ultimate destination. Use the world as a means to prepare for the hereafter. When this intention is clear, the world becomes a blessing and Allah's favor for you. So friends, consider the world a ladder leading to the hereafter. Remember that the true life is the one that begins after death, and this worldly life is an opportunity for good deeds and preparation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beneficial content.